Now, to conclude this introduction to spies and mocks, there is one important function or method which also exists for both VTest and Jest, which you should be aware of. Sometimes you are mocking some functionality, as we are here, but then in specific places, you might want to have a different implementation for certain methods provided by the module. You might not want to add them in general, like this, or by providing a file in the mocks folder, but only for some tests. And for this, what you can do is inside of a test where you are working with such a function created with fn, on that function, you can call the mock implementation or mock implementation once methods. If you call mock implementation, you can pass a function to it, which again acts as a replacement then. So then you replace the function which is empty with a different function that does whatever you want to do. If you use mock implementation once, you use it in the same way, but there your replacement function here will only be used once. So if that function was then executed once, it will switch back to an empty function again thereafter. So that's great if you have one specific scenario where you're not fine with the empty function or whichever other setup you had, and you want to have a different implementation instead. So mock implementation once and mock implementation in general are methods you should keep in mind.